This short instructional video will demonstrate how you can use ACD name to generate accurate systematic names according to IUPAC recommendations and CAS rules. You can access name from the main ACDLabs folder in your Start menu or from the ACDLabs menu in our other software such as Spectra's Processor or ChemSketch. Name is built into the ChemSketch interface. You'll notice a toolbar at the bottom of the window that includes buttons for generating names, viewing history, adjusting preferences, and reviewing rules. Begin by drawing or importing a structure. If more than one structure is present, use the Select Move tool to select the structure of interest. With the structure selected, you can choose to generate the IUPAC or index name by using either of these buttons. The name window will display your drawn structure, the generated name, and the protocol, including references to the sections of the IUPAC rules from which the name was derived. You can click links to view the details of each rule. If your structure contains stereogenic centers, you can click this icon to view the hierarchical graph for each atom with a stereo descriptor. Use these icons to copy the name and/or structure directly into ChemSketch, or click here to copy a name to the clipboard. It's possible to adjust the naming preferences using these buttons. Options in the first few tabs can only be edited if you deselect the Generate Preferred Names box. You can also choose to generate IUPAC names in multiple languages. Like other objects in ChemSketch, the name and structure can be saved, printed, or exported as a PDF. These can also be copied and pasted directly into a document. Thank you for watching.